Welcome to Hard Reset Info. In front of me Sony Alpha, and now I'm gonna show you how to manage bracket settings. So firstly, we need to open the bracket settings, and here we have self-timer during bracket. So when off, the camera doesn't use the self-timer during bracketing. For example, so maybe I need to explain you what is the bracketing. So bracketing is a photography technique used to capture a series of photos of the same scene with different settings to ensure the best possible exposure, for example, or ISO, to create images with enhanced dynamic range. For example, you can set up exposure bracketing. So this is the mode where the camera takes multiple photos with different exposure levels, one at the metered exposure, one underexposured, and one overexposed. So this is useful in situations with challenging lighting, for example, where it's hard to get the perfect exposure in a single shot. You can later choose the best exposed photo or combine the images using software to create a high dynamic range photos, so HDR. So you can use white balance bracketing, so the same, focus bracketing, flash bracketing, and maybe that's it. So cool. So to use it, click bracket settings, and you can enable the self-timer bracket. So when it's off, so camera doesn't use the self-timer during bracketing. When 2 sec, 5 sec, or 10 sec, so adds a delay between pressing the shutter button and the start of the bracketing sequence. So what about bracket order? For example, 2 seconds delay. Cool. What about bracket order? So here we have, for example, first item, so 0 arrow, line arrow, plus. So the camera takes the middle exposure first, then lower exposure, then higher. So on the second situation, so here we have line arrow, 0 arrow, plus. So the camera starts from the lowest exposure, moves to middle, then highest. So this is not the line, this is minus. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you. I hope this video was helpful for you.